Hi guys, welcome back to Teaching Mission. In this video, I am going to teach you some basic components of Rasa. So Rasa is built on some core components which will make it possible to work Rasa like not like other chatbots. So it is very simple. In the background of Rasa, you can find two main components, that is Rasa NLU and Rasa Core. So Rasa Core is basically an engine which will render our data and which will give some output whenever user types something. So it will take care of backend works. Here actions.py. So actions.py will take care of custom actions such as calling other API and bringing data from other resources to Rasa's chatbot. So you will get to know more about actions later. And NLU.md. So in this NLU.md, you are going to write your intents. So whatever user will type, you need to type that kind of messages by giving some examples to Rasa, like user is going to type something like this. So I will show you NLU.md file later. Storage.md will take care of the flow, what should come after our message. Suppose user comes and say hi, so that is a greeting message. For that we need to write a story like user will say hi and bot should say hi, user will say bye, so bot will say goodbye. So such kind of stories we need to write in storage.md. And domain.yaml. So in this file we are going to write our actions and utterances and etc. I will tell you what is utterance. So in this slide you can see Rasa NLU. So Rasa NLU is a natural language understanding processing system which will understand a user's intent. So here intent means what user is intending to get back from Rasa. Suppose I am a user, I want to get some information about something. So I may say I want to know the current headline from Hindustan Times. So my intention is to getting a headline news from Hindustan Times. So that is my intention. What is entity? Entity is the Hindustan Times will be an entity and latest news will be the entity. So here you can see an example. Today how many unread mails are there in my inbox? This is a user's query. So in this query, intention of user is to know is unread mails from his inbox. And what are the entities? Entities are today is the entity because today is a date. So you might say what are the mails in my inbox from yesterday. So yesterday's date will be the entity of the user, and inbox is entity, and today the date is entity. As I said, unread mails is an entity. So coming to Rasa bot. So in the Rasa bot, these all things are coupled together and a model will be generated. Once you give all these files to Rasa, a model will be generated. That model will be the base file to give the responses as you asked, and intents and entities will be recognized as you mentioned in these files.